gonna be doing an unboxing and setup of Biom's new baby wipes and baby wipe dispenser. They've now come out with baby wipes that are plant-based, biodegradable, made with 99% water, and a short and gentle ingredient list. So when you order their kit online, you get 6 packs of wipes, a sleek and stylish dispenser. I chose this purple one because it's so cute. And you also get a removable sticker pad and a base for you to sit your dispenser on and allow you to pull out wipes one-handed. So let's set this up on our changing table. You're gonna wanna wipe this area down just to make sure that there's no like dust on it. Now we're gonna open this little green packet. So this is the base and this is a removable sticker pad. I'm gonna go ahead and use the sticker pad on this for extra hold. It's a little hard to see, but I stuck the clear sticker onto the top of my changing table, and I'm placing the base over the sticker pad and pressing it onto there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and load the wipes onto this baby. I'm gonna remove this little sticker and we're gonna feed the innermost. This looks like the innermost, it's kind of already out there. We're gonna feed it in. And honestly, I'm nervous for this part because I'm not the best at this for any wipe dispenser. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so I think that's good. And also secure it onto the base, I'm gonna line this green arrow with the little clear arrow on here. So you heard that click. Let's try it again. When you hear it click is when you know that the magnet is working. And now you just lift the top up and you're able to take out wipes with one hand. If the wipes happen to bunch up, you want to go ahead and gently loosen up the center and put the innermost wipe in again through the spout. Now it's on. See how it's not coming off? The magnet's on really good. It's off. Now we're gonna put that back in. Hear the click. I'm not gonna pull out any more wipes because I don't wanna be wasteful, but yeah, twist and go. Now for my first impressions, let's talk about the wipes. They're very soft. It's fragrance free, which is great because fragrance can be irritating for babies' bums. I appreciate that these have gentler ingredients. They're plastic free, so no microplastics, and they're free of PFAs, which are forever chemicals. As for the wipe dispenser, I love how sleek this thing is. Fits on one hand very easily. There's been so many times recently where my baby's very mobile, so I'm having to grab the wipe dispenser that I currently have, and it's not very one-handed friendly, so I'm having to like put things down and just, it becomes a little chaotic. So I was thinking like, why don't they make something more one-hand friendly? And lo and behold, here you have it. They come in really cute colors. They have a white, they have like a mint seafoam color, and they have this lavender purple. I love how it doesn't take up much room at all, and I love that it's portable, so I can easily take it into any room if I need to. I really like the one-handed design because it's true what they say, when you become a mom, you learn how to do everything with one hand, especially in moments where it really counts. During those diaper changes when your baby's very mobile and you need to be quick and change baby's diaper with one hand. Thank you so much to Biom for sponsoring this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.